108 Tips to Learn English. I hope you enjoy it very much. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give your like and share it with your friends. Tip 4. Who? Who's she? She is Margarita, the secretary. Who's he? He's John, the engineer. Other professions. Mechanic, photographer, judge, architect, nurse, policeman, postman, fireman, doctor, chef, exercises, connect. This is Anna. This is Jefferson. This is Mr. Brown. This is Nuria. This is Robert. This is Mr. Smith. This is John. This is his brother. This is me. These are Henry and Michael. This is Anna. She's fortune teller. This is John. He's fireman. This is his brother. He's golf player. This is Jefferson. He's mechanic. These are Henry and Michael. They are postmen. This is Mr. Smith. Is he postman? No, he's judge. This is Robert. He's photographer. She's Mary, isn't she? No, she's Nuria, the nurse. This is me. I'm architect. This is Mr. Brown. He's doctor.